Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mgaro, professional photographer with over 9 years behind the lens. Today we're diving deep into the world of legendary photography, those iconic images that stop you in your tracks. What makes them so unforgettable? And more importantly, how can you apply those same principles in your own work? First up, simplicity. Think about Steve McCurry's Afghan Girl. What do you remember? The eyes, right? That piercing gaze? There's no clutter, no distractions. The subject is centered. The colors are bold and complementary. When shooting, ask yourself, what's the one thing you want your viewer to feel or focus on? Then eliminate everything else from the frame that doesn't serve that emotion or story. Use a shallow depth of field, f1, 8 to f2, 8, to isolate your subject. Shoot wide, then crop later to enhance focus if needed. Light can make or break a photo. Take Dorothea Lange's Migrant Mother. The soft natural light gives the scene a somber tone, emphasizing hardship and resilience. Always ask, where's my light coming from? Is it harsh, soft, directional? Use it to sculpt your subject, not just illuminate it. Shoot during golden hour for flattering dramatic light. Indoors? Use window light from the side, not the front. Great photos have structure. Look at Henri Cartier-Bresson, the master of composition. He framed everyday moments like visual poetry using lines, patterns, and the decisive moment. Use the rule of thirds, but don't be afraid to break it. Look for leading lines, symmetry, and framing, like doorways or arches, to guide the eye. Practice seeing compositions before raising your camera. Use your phone's grid to train your eye. Emotion is everything, that's what sticks. Nick Utt's Napalm Girl photo, you feel the terror. Timing, expression, body language, it all hits you at once. Be patient. Anticipate the moment. Shoot in bursts if needed, but know when to press the shutter before the peak moment, not after. Shoot street or documentary. Keep your camera on and ready. Use silent shutter mode for candid, unnoticed moments. Iconic photos aren't just beautiful, they're original. Ansel Adams didn't just capture Yosemite, he redefined how we see nature. Perspective matters. Change your angle, get low, get high, step back. Look for what others aren't seeing, that's where originality lives. Carry a small mirror or reflective surface for creative shots. Use foreground elements to create depth. So, what makes an iconic photo? It's not just technical perfection, it's emotion, timing, light, and storytelling, all working together. Try this. Next time you shoot, pick one principle from today's video and commit to it for an entire session. Whether it's light, composition, or emotion, push yourself. You'll be surprised how your work evolves. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the art of photography, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite iconic photo and why? Remember, you don't take a great photo, you make one.